Today I will show you how to make a house in Revit BIM. So first of all, from the BIM, Revit, Revit, whichever model you're having, just open new, click new. Now you can see the units imperial, multidiscipline, or you can also select the metric. If you are comfortable with feet, inches, then you can go for the imperial multidiscipline. And if you are more comfortable with meters, you can go for the metric multidiscipline. So I have selected the imperial and selected OK. Now you can see here the Revit. This is the interface for the Revit. You can see architecture, structure, steel, precast, but now we are going to work on the architecture. From here you can see there is wall, door, window, and component columns. There are different types of things. We will start because it is a beginner friendly course. We will start from the wall. First of all, remember that this on the left side you can see the properties, and it is very important. Whatever you will select from here, wall, door, window, component, column, or roof, whatever you are going to select, the properties will be opened here. And you can also see the views that architect, if they are not open, you can open it by yourself. And if you want to learn the course in detail, you can also message me. So, for the beginners, you can see that from the view, you can see here L1 architectural, L2 architectural. These are the levels. Level 1 is the ground floor, or level 2, whichever you have selected. I can also show you how to make the grid and levels, but at this moment I am just going to show you how to draw the walls, and it is very easy. It is easier than AutoCAD. Today I will show you how to draw the wall. First of all, from the architecture wall, select wall architectural. Whenever I have selected the wall architectural, you can see there are different properties here. If I will select wall center line, then all the properties will be from center to center. So base constraint L1, base offset 0. I can show these everything to you in detailed videos if you want, but at this moment, this is for, let's go for 12 feet. And don't forget to apply. Now our wall will be 12 feet high. From here, I am going to draw a wall like this and this. Now you will say that I have done it arbitrarily, and don't forget to click it, right? Uh, if you will press escape, then you can escape from uh, it. You can see now that the walls are present. This wall, it is 124 feet. If I want to convert it to 121, 10, or 100, I can just write it and it will convert it to 100 feet wall. If and I want to convert this wall, this is 92 feet. Let me convert into 60 feet. I will just write 60. Now you can see that 100 by 60 feet walls are present. If I want to do it again, I want to complete the boundary. I will again press the architecture, wall architecture. Again, the walls will open and I can draw the wall. It is very easy to draw the wall here. And you can see this is a straight line and you are guided how to connect it at the. Don't forget to click enter, and then you can also connect it. Now, this everything has been prepared. You can see the boundaries there. Now, the second thing is you want to see is really the wall, has the wall been created or not? And how can we check it? So for this, let me go to, always remember there, this window is for L1, that this is for the ground level. I can make L2, L3, L4, and all of them will have the different windows. So now I am going to show you how it will look in 3D. This is a 3D view, and you can see that you don't need to convert it into the other one. This simple 3D you can see from here. Now, if you want to see the top, this is your top. If you want to see the right, this is the right. If you want to see the left, it is the back, it's the back. This is your left. This is your front. Whatever you're seeing, you can see it from here. And you can also zoom in. Now I want to check. Go back to L1 architecture. Possibly I have made something additional here, which I am going to delete. Right. Now again, if I will go to the 3D view, I will not see anything like that. Right, back. It is the Revit tutorial for the beginners. In the last, I have shown you last video, I have shown you how to make the wall. And this is our this was our architectural plan, and these were our walls. Let's go for the front elevation. And again, I'm going to zoom in the region. So this is zoom in region. You can see it from here. So for the beginners, now I will put some doors in it. If you don't have these doors can be downloaded from the family. And if you want to go in detail, you can message me for the full course. But mostly, if it is there, you can use door your uh, from here, and doors are there. But if you want doors of different design, you can download the family. This is the simple door, single pane, and we can also have the double pane doors. So from architecture doors, I am going to select the doors. These are the two types of doors: door passage single flush and door passage single young light. These I have already downloaded, or it may also be present initially in your. Let me select the 30 by 80 feet. Once you will select, the same dimension will be inches. So same dimension will be here. So I have put the door here. If I want to put another type of door, I can go for the door passage. And now this is a different type of door, and I can also select one dimension from here. Let me put another type of door. So this is very simple. We can put the doors and how to put the windows. So putting windows is also very easy. Again, go to the window, select one type of window. You can select any one from this. I have two already here, and I can download different styles of windows. So if I need window double hung, I can use this one. Just select this dimension. Once you will select dimension, you can have it. This is one window. It is so easy to create it. You can see even the levels are defined. This is the second one. If I want to change the type of window, I can go again to the windows, and this is the other type of window which I am going to place here. So it is not looking very beautiful here, but I need just to tell how to do it. So these are the windows at the same sill. Now you can see that we can easily put the doors and windows, and I have put it in front because it is a simple tutorial for the beginners. Now, if you want to see how it will look, I can uh, show you from here. Views, of course, sorry, these are just like here. This is wireframe. You can see the different type of domains. These are the walls and something like that. If I have pressed escape to escape from the doors and windows. Now, again, if I need hidden lines, these are the hidden lines. Lines of walls are hidden, and this is shaded. You can also go for the textured and realistic. Let me select the realistic. Now this is your realistic front house view. You can also see the 3D view of this in this way. By selecting, this is already 3D, you can see it like this. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to know how to put roof on it, don't forget to watch the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and wait for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the previous two videos, you have learned that how to select the units and how to draw the walls, doors, pin windows, and how to zoom it. Now I'm going to show you how to put roof on it. You can go to the front view. This is our front view, which we were considering, and let's zoom it in region. This is zoom in region. You can see these are doors, windows, but it doesn't have any roof on it. I can simply go to the architectural view, and here I can see this is the plan of this house. Now I am going to put the roof on it. Now you will see how to put the roof. First of all, go to the roof. You have created roof on the lower level. Would you like to move it to L2? Of course, I don't want to have the roof on L1 ground level. I want to have the roof on L2. So I will click this yes. Whichever survey you will use, you can do it. This is the basic roof, generic of 9 inch. You can also go for 12 inch and generic field and wood rafter, steel truss, whatever you want. I'm going to use a generic 9 inch roof. And this is the simple roof for the beginners. You can make different types of roofs with different slopes, with different offsets from the walls. And if you want to learn in detail, you can just message me and I will um, tell you about this. First of all, you can see that these are different walls, and I want to create a roof on this, and I have already selected the roof. Now I will select the different walls. One, two, three, four. Now I will check that. I will click this tick like this. Now, would you like to attach the highlighted wall to roof? Yes, I can attach. Now it has been attached, but you can't see it. So go to 3D. Now what you are seeing, this is an abnormal roof because it has different slope. You can convert the slope according to your own will from these properties. This is very important window. The so properties, so you can change anything from here. So from here, it is clear that our slope should be minimum. If I will make it low less, it will be very good. But if I want to make it just a flat roof, click put 0 and apply on it. It will be instantly converted into the simple rooftop. Now you can see from the 3D view that our house is complete, and it has doors, windows, walls, and roof. It may have number of walls and doors, even windows inside and outside on the other sides. It depends on you. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and message me if you want to go in depth and understand the rabbit very well. Thank you very much for watching.